Hi everyone, Alexander here from ANavigator. Every week, we publish the ANavigator Weekly Amazon Digest for brand owners, e-commerce leads, and marketing teams working at Amazon. The goal is to ignore the daily noise and focus on what really changed. Week 10 highlights an important shift. Amazon is making Seller Central more AI-driven. Advertising is becoming more automated, and product visibility depends more on how systems understand and compare your offer. Let's go through it. Amazon has introduced a new Canvas experience inside Seller Central for sellers in the US and UK. It turns Seller Assistant into a more interactive workspace. Sellers can ask questions and see business data, trends, and recommendations in one visual view. This matters because Amazon is moving away from static reports and toward AI-guided decision support. So instead of only reading dashboards, sellers can interact with the data and explore what is happening inside the account faster. This can affect daily work in marketing, inventory planning, and launch preparation. Amazon is also pushing more automation into sponsored brands. They started rolling out automatic product collections. Before, advertisers had to choose the products manually. Now, Amazon can select the most relevant products based on keyword targets, shopper queries, and relevant signals. Another important change is that collection ads can now show up to 10 products instead of only 3. This can help brands with larger catalogs scale faster. But it also means less direct control. Amazon decides more, advertisers decides less. So brands should watch carefully which products Amazon selects and whether those products actually support profit goals, conversion goals, and campaign strategy. Automation can save time, but it still needs monitoring. Amazon also announced a major infrastructure investment in Spain. The company plans to invest 33.7 billion euros in Aragon to expand data center infrastructure. According to the announcements, the AWS Europe region in Spain is expected to contribute 31.7 billion euros to Spain's GDP through 2035 and support thousands of jobs. For sellers and brands, this is not only a local infrastructure story. It is another signal that Amazon continues building the cloud and AI foundation behind its ecosystem. More infrastructure means more computing power. More computing power means faster AI development. And that supports more automation across Amazon ads, retail tools, analytics, and shopping experiences. Rufus is becoming more important in product comparison. It is now being positioned as a tool that can benchmark your product against the best options in the market. That raises the standard for listings. If Amazon does not fully understand your product, it may compare you in the wrong way. Or even worse, competitors may define the comparison for you. This means listing quality, backend attributes, and complete product details matter even more. Your product page now needs to work not only for human shoppers but also for Amazon's AI systems. So brands should review titles, bullets, attributes, use cases, and category details. The better Amazon understands your product, the better your chances in AI-driven comparisons. Amazon is bringing more order to promotions. Deals, coupons, price discounts, promotions, and related tools are now being brought into one place inside Seller Central. For teams managing many promotions, this can reduce friction in daily work. Less time switching between tabs means fewer mistakes and faster execution. And during busy periods, small workflow improvements can make a real difference. This is one of those updates that looks simple but helps operations run more smoothly. TikTok Shop now allows sellers to paste an Amazon product URL and auto-create a TikTok listing using existing product information. This removes one of the main barriers for brands that want to test TikTok Shop. They do not need to rebuild listings from zero. That makes cross-platform commerce much easier. Brands can connect discovery on TikTok with their existing Amazon content much faster. And that means expansion to other channels becomes more practical, especially for teams with limited time and resources. The bigger message here is that commerce between platforms is becoming more connected. Strong product content is now valuable beyond Amazon itself. ChatGPT shopping signals became a bigger topic for brands. A recent discussion around ChatGPT's product rationale feature shows that product comparisons may be influenced by summaries of reviews, and external web content. This matters because future shopping decisions may depend not only on what is written on Amazon, but also on how your product appears across the wider web. Even one strong negative source outside Amazon may influence how a product is presented in an AI-driven shopping experience. So brands now need to think beyond the product page. They should watch external reviews, third-party mentions, and how product claims appear across channels. That's week 10. If you want this breakdown every week, subscribe to the ANavigator Weekly Amazon Digest. And if you want to review how these changes affect your Amazon account, reach out to us at ANavigator. And see you next week.